on the way back from that like abandoned amusement park thing. It used to be like a ski lift, and then it just went out of business, and then people shut it down, and then it just turned to shit, and trees growing everywhere, grass growing everywhere. It's really cool though. It's like there's a lot of art that people like spray paint everywhere, literally everywhere. Pretty dope. Like the one shot I got of this, like it was like eyes, and it was like a whole bunch of other stuff. It's sweet. It's just cool to see like people go there and like express themselves pretty much and put whatever they want on it, because you can't do that in the public or whatever, so you just do it on the fucking abandoned places pretty much. It's pretty cool, to be honest.